What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malicious attack where attackers encrypt an organization's data and demand payment to restore access. How does a ransomware attack happen? One of the most common ways is an attacker sending an email that looks like it is from a legitimate source with a malicious attachment. The end user will open the attachment, executing the malicious program and thus encrypting the organization's data. Here are a few tips on how you can protect yourself from a ransomware attack. First, make sure to keep your system updated. This reduces the attack surface an attacker can exploit. Second, scan all emails and removable media using a reputable antivirus software solution. Next, block known ransomware sites so employees don't accidentally navigate to them. Lastly, and most importantly, is user education. Educating your users can go a long way. Having a security awareness training program can help with reducing the risk of a ransomware attack. Security is everyone's responsibility in the organization. From your accountant to your security officers to your receptionist, any employee can be a security risk to an organization. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit us at www.cybersecinvestments.com.